In this video in the last video we actually look at the dashboard, logging in. You will be able to log in and the dashboard, the features that we have on the dashboard. So in this video we are going to be looking at the staff and enrollee page. So when you log in, you are going to see under the navigators on the left side of the screen, you will see staff and enrollees. So this is where you will see the list of staff and enrollees that have been registered with Novo under your company. So staff and enrollees. So this is the page. The page has a filter that you can actually use to filter the information on the page. So and there's a table, and the table consists of all the list of enrollees and staff, as can be seen in on the screen. So we are going to be looking at this one after the other. So we have a button. The button is for adding new staff. This is for adding new staff, and we have another button for removing a particular enrollee. So this button is for removing enrollees by batch, so you can remove multiple enrollees at the same time. So this table shows you the list of enrollees and staff that has been registered with you. You can actually see their details. You can see their status. Maybe the enrollee has been enrolled, if the enrollee is active, if the enrollee is inactive. So you can see them, and you can actually remove some enrollees from your hand. You can remove any enrollee that you want to remove. Let me see if I can remove one. Okay, so let's try. So we use this for test anyway, so you can actually see it here. So you can view the details of the enrollee. If you want, you can remove any enrollee that you like. So now let's look at batch removal. So if you want to remove any enrollee by batch, you can actually pick multiple enrollee and remove them. So let me do that. So you can pick multiple enrollees and remove them. So once you click on remove, it's going to remove them from the list. So that is for the company portal. Now here you can add new staff. So adding new staff means that you can upload new staff. So you don't need to add them one by one. So we have an Excel file that you can upload. So here we have the formats. So you can click on this arrow, this icon right here, to download the formats. Now let's look at how the formats look like. So yeah, this is the format. So the format is in this order. It must be in this specific order. First, company name. That's the first column, must be company name. The second column should be the subsidiary. So your company name should be entered the way it is registered on Novo application. Then the subsidiary should be the same way the subsidiary is registered on Novo application. Then you have company plan, the same way. The words for words, character, everything should be the same. Then the surname of the enrollee that you want to add, the surname and the first name of the enrollee you want to add, the email address, the phone number, the company staff ID if there's any. If there's no company staff ID, you can leave that empty. Number of dependents, the number of dependents you want the enrollees to be able to add, you can add them under the number of dependents. Then the state where the enrollee is located, you write it state, Lagos, not Lagos State, Lagos. Imo, not Imo State. So this is the correct format. So after adding this, then you can now upload. So you can just click here, select your file. Sorry, you can actually click here to search for the file and you upload. So once you upload it, this table will be populated with the information you uploaded. So that is for uploading staff list and enrollee list. So after uploading, Novo will receive a notification that you have uploaded new staff list, and then they will be able to work on it from their end. Uploading a staff list does not automatically means that the staff or the enrollee can access care. There are still some approval, verification, validation that will be done by Novo before the provider as well as the Novo staff will be able to see the list and the enrollee details. So when you upload, Novo receive the notification, they work on it, and after that the status of the record will be either enrolled or still active or inactive. So then you can use filter. You can filter by subsidiary. So there's only one subsidiary here. You can filter by subscription status, either active subscription or inactive subscription. You can filter by staff status. You can filter by registration status. So let's look at the staff status and the registration status. So that is how to make use of the staff and enrollee. So now after that, let's move on to the next one. So the next one is company plan. How to use company plan. So the company plan module, that's where you will see all the plans that you have under your company. So in the case of this particular company, we have about 16 plans. So we have the Azul Family, Novo Health Africa Azul, Enterprise, and so on and so forth. And you can actually search for a specific plan. So I can enter the plan I want to search for here, and it will show me only those plans. So if I like, I can remove them so that it showed me everything. Now I can view. I can click on view to view the details. Plan name, age limit, maximum number of dependents, discount per enrollee if any, discount on total if any, annual premium, allowed independent enrollee, description. So all those information, you can actually see them. If you want to see the benefit and exclusions for this plan, you come here, click on this. It will show you all the benefits. You can see the descriptions. And you can see the number of benefits. So all these things, you can see them here. You can also expand this to get more information. So you can expand it to get the benefit name, the description, the limits, and other information that you need. So that's for benefits. That's for plan and benefits. So you can actually see it here. So that's all for now. So in the next video, we are going to be looking at disease pattern. Thank you.